What's the meaning of Afghanistan? Afghanistan. 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 The name Afghanistan is believed to have originated from the Sanskrit word ashvakana, meaning horse country. The landlocked country in South Asia is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the northeast. Afghanistan has a rich history, including being the center of the ancient Persian Empire and later serving as a strategic location for various empires and political powers. The country is known for its rugged terrain, diverse ethnic groups, and ongoing conflicts with extremist groups.